Hello everyone, it's Michelle here. We're getting ready for Christmas and let's decorate our Christmas tree. We are going to make a snowflake today. What do you need to make a snowflake? First, you need a pair of scissors. You will need colored paper, any color you like. I have red, pink, orange, yellow, many papers. So let's choose one of our papers. I will choose the pink paper. I like the pink paper. Now let's fold it. We will fold it like this. Bum, bada bum. And there you go. Just like this. Now we need to cut this tail off, okay? With our scissors. Let's go. Cutting, cutting, cutting is fun. Cutting, cutting, cutting is fun. And now you can open it and you have a square. You have a small square. And now fold it back again and you have a triangle. So we will fold it one more time. Just like this. Ta-da! And that's all you need to do. Now the fun part begins. Cutting, cutting, cutting is fun. So we're going to cut any shapes you like. You can cut lines out. You can cut hearts out. You can cut more triangles. Just make it fun. Any shape you like. Cutting, cutting, cutting is fun. Cutting, cutting, cutting is fun. Cutting, cutting, cutting is fun. Let's cut together. And when you're done cutting, you just need to open your snowflake. Wow, look. This is a snowflake. Now we can put it on our Christmas tree. Look! Oh, looks really good. There you have it. Merry Christmas!